My name is Gbenga Abraham. I'm one of the participants of the 3-day media workshop organized by Zach Media. My experience in this media workshop has been great. On the first day, Zach Media was able to give us the course outline and he explained to us everything. He gave us notes on everything we are going to do. And on the second day, it was just pure practical. And the practical was so interesting that I was so glad to be involved because I was able to work with my team members. I was glad at the end of everything because initially when he explained those things to us on the first day, they were not clear to me. He explained the source panel, the timeline, the effects panel, and all those things. They weren't clear to me until I was able to do the practical yesterday, which happens to be second day. So when I saw all those things were clear to me. And I'm glad to be a participant of this media workshop. And at the same time, I want to use this medium to encourage and employ everyone out there who has not been involved in this media training, that you should understand that this media training works more than whatever the money or whatever material is going to cost anyone to be involved in this media training. So I want to encourage everyone to go and start getting themselves prepared for the next media workshop that's going to be organized by Zach Media.